Hi everyone! It's me again, Alona. Nagbabalik na naman ako. Today is a comment question answer day, okay? May nag-message sa akin, nag-comment sa akin about a painful nipple, okay? Masakit na nipple. May isa ding nanay na naghingi sa akin ng payo on how to increase milk supply. So, i-review ko itong mga tanong na to kasi mahirap talaga ang maging nanay, especially when you are suffering this kind of problem sa breastfeeding. Kaya ako, siguro ibang information medyo uulitin ko. Kailangan talaga natin mas madadagdagan yung kaalaman natin when it comes to breastfeeding. So, i-address ko sa inyo kung bakit talagang may mga nanay na na-experience talaga yung masakit na nipple pag nagda-latch, okay? I explained this before sa differences ng matured na baby at maliit na baby, okay? Matured baby, ibig sabihin full-term na baby at baby na maliit, okay? Itong baby na maliit na to, minsan, kalimitan sa mga problema na naranasan ko sa aming breastfeeding clinic ay galing sa mga baby na maliliit. Ibig sabihin, weak pa yung, ito ang pinaka-weakness ng mga baby na maliliit. Weak pa yung muscle tone nila. Dito sa face nila, weak pa yon. Yung jaw movement nila, weak. Yung lips, number one talaga, tingnan nyo yung mga lips ng babies nyo. Pag makikita nyo na thin yung lips ng baby, nakaka-apekto talaga yun sa pag-latch ni baby. Now, bakit masakit? Yun ang tanong, bakit masakit? Ang normal sa ating mga babae, after we give birth, kahit pang first time mo na or second time mo na, sensitive pa rin ang nipple natin. Sensitive pa rin ang nipple natin. Although, the most sensitive part of our breast is the tadan! Areola. Hindi ang nipple. Okay? Ang pinaka-sensitive part natin is the areola. Okay? Now, normal yung feeling mo, sensitibo yung nipple mo during the first 3 days, 5 days, especially baguhan ka lang. Pero, pag yung nararamdaman mo medyo discomfort, pag hindi mo yun maiko-correct, it's gonna get worse, and then when the baby gets older, na medyo active na si baby mag-latch, doon na nagsisimulang magkakaroon ng problema. So, while you are teaching your baby right now, it's best when you do it right in the very beginning. Kaya ako kagawin ito. So, bakit masakit ang nipple? Alam nyo, there were times na when I was breastfeeding, yung mga daliri ko sa paa ko, pati yung kamay ko gumaganon pag nagsasak na yung naglalas na ako. Kasi napifeel ko talaga yung sakit ng pagkagat ng baby. Not kagat, pagsak ni baby. Because during that time, walang sinasabi sa akin yung mga nurses na, oh, tongue-tied pala yung baby mo. But it wasn't severe tongue-tied. Medium tongue-tied lang yung baby ko. But I really didn't know that until pumasok sa kindergarten yung anak ko na may speech problem pala yung anak ko na konting hindi makapag-spell, hindi makapag-pronounce ng S o kaya L, like S, L. So, check niyo mga nanay, yung mga siblings niyo kung nakapag-pronounce ba sila ng S, L, kasi yung mga letters na yun, pag tongue-tied ang baby, hindi nakakapag-pronounce yun because you have to do L, S. So, going back to painful nipple. Pag hindi natin na-correct yung movement ng sucking ni baby at yung movement ng tongue ni baby, hindi makapag-deeply latch si baby. Kaya, nagko-continue pa rin yung nipple problem mo. Now, kung isa ka doon sa mga nanay na it's been weeks, it's been maybe months, tiniis mo lang, minsan mawawala, minsan nandiyan dyan. So, what I want you to do is that if you feel like discomfort kung saan mang side ng breast na yan, make sure that you give it a rest. Meaning, 1 day, maybe 2 days, na wag mong i-latch. Wag mong i-latch. Express mo lang yung milk mo, the same routine. If you're latching it every 2-3 hours, express mo siya every 2 to 3 hours. Give it a break. Kailangang mag-heal yun. Especially kung makikita mo na may bruising na, nakikita mo nag-continue na parang may sugat na, give it a break. After you express it, you can put cold face towel. What I want you to do, kung may, di ba, cabbage leaves, i-cut nyo siya ng mga pabilog. Mga siguro that like this big. This pabilog na ganito. Cut nyo siya. Ilagay nyo siya sa freezer ng mga 5 or 10 minutes. So, medyo cool na yun, ano? Yun yung ipatch nyo dito sa nipple nyo. Kasi coldness can help it for healing, okay? Now, if you use the cream, you can use whatever, coconut oil, whatever cream you're using for your nipple. Put it first before you're putting that cold patch in it. That will help. Give it a break. Huwag niyong pursahin kung talagang masakit. Okay, now the next time, let's say you feel comfortable now, i-latch nyo na si baby, make sure, ito talagang i-ensure nyo na deep na yung pagka-latch nyo. Because if you feel like, andito na naman, yung gum, napifeel mo yung gum. Ano pang gum sa Tagalog? Sorry ha. Basta itong gum na to, lower gum o kaya upper gum, pag napifeel nyo yun, adjust the latch. So if you are latching your baby like this, napifeel nyo yung lower gum, itong lower gum, medyo yun na ang ginagamit ni baby yung pagsasak doon sa nipple mo. Position the baby. Do a cross cradle. Okay. Do a cross cradle. Readjust the latch. Alam niyo pag nag-readjust ako ng latch sa kliniko, pag nag-readjust ako ng latch sa kliniko, ina-adjust ko rin kung paano mo i-hold yung nipple mo. I-hold yung breast mo. You also have to adjust the baby's position. At the same time, you need to also adjust on how you hold your breast. Kasi pag si baby lang ina-adjust mo, pero yung pag-hold mo ng breast when you're latching, hindi mo ginawa. Minsan, palpak din ang gawin mo. So, how you hold it? So, di ba, from a cradle hold, ginawa mo ang cross cradle, okay? So, what you can do for your breast para deeply latch, so, I always use the C-hold sa mga nanay na they have difficulty latching. Then you can adjust, you can use any hold that you want. Minsan may mga V, may mga U. U is like this, okay? U is like this. V is like this. C is like this, okay? Maraming position. But I normally use the C hold para sa mga, especially sa mga maliliit na baby. So when you do a C hold, so what I do is I make sure na yung thumb ko is upper sa areola, so diba sa areola, thumb ko is upper, index finger ko is lower. Wag niyong ganon, kasi mali yan, pag malapit na malapit yung thumb niyo at index fingers, mali yun, mababaw ang latch. Kaya masakit. So I make sure, and then I go, so, squeeze, thin, and flip. Squeeze, thin, and flip. Alam niyo ba kung bakit ko piniflip yung nipple? Think about it. Itong nipple na to, let's say this is baby's mouth, right? I-demonstrate ko talaga ito sa inyo. So let's pretend, ito yung baby's mouth. Tadan, tadan, coming in. Tapos yung nipple, i-diretso nyo sa gitna. Tadan, tadan. Minsan doon natutrauma yung nipple nyo. So what I do is, this is baby's mouth, right? When I flip it up, ang ginawa ko, yung nipple, I pointed it upward. See? Hindi sa gitna. But I pointed it upward. Straight upward doon sa hard palate. Diba hard palate natin doon? I want the nipple to go to the hard palate. So if this is the nipple now, pag nilagay mo lang sa gitna, just like that. Gitna yan eh. Ako gusto ko yung nipple nyo is going upward. Why? Para hindi ma-damage. Para hindi ma-touch. Yun ang ginagawa ko. So, kaya ito ang kamalian na hindi tinuturo sa hospital ninyo. Okay? Na pag nagla-latch kayo, diretso middle right away. No. I do it upward. So, ang nipple nyo is nasa hard palate. So, pag ang nipple nyo nasa hard palate, hindi na-attach sa gum. So, hindi na-damage. Hindi sumasakit. So, kaya, it's always good. So, when you're holding your baby, so let's say this is the baby, you're holding your baby. So, what? I'm pointing the nipple right, flip it. So, I'm gonna do it again. Hold it. See, hold, thin, and flip. Again, hold it. See, hold, and flip. So, when you do that, your nipple become untouched. Okay, I hope you get it because it's very important. Like, this is free teaching, okay? You have to take in because there's not so many healthcare providers out there. Although there are some na gaya-gaya sa akin. Just make sure that you're doing it right dahil it's not easy to have painful nipple. Okay, mahirap, masakit. Sometimes you just want to give up. Sometimes you just want to cry. So it's good to know that why the pain is there. What is the cause of it? Kung anong dahilan. Because, you know what? If there is pain, there's a problem. Either you hold your breast wrong or baby is not latching deeply. Okay? Or there are just so many moms right now probably who are under stress. It's very sensitive. Their nerves are sensitive and they sense that they just have so much painful or very sensitive nipple. There's some moms who are like that they have very, very sensitive nipple. So if you're the type of mom na very sensitive yung nipple mo, you have to make sure that you latch your baby deeply or else you're gonna suffer so much pain. Another question that's asked here, if the baby is latching every hour or 2 hours, do I need ba akong express? You don't have to, okay? Kung si baby is regularly latching, breastfeeding, then you don't have to express your milk all the time. Unless you really want to stock up lots of milk for the future. Minsan, maybe you're going somewhere and you just want to stock up milk. Pero kung si baby nagre-regulate ng milk niyo all the time, nagbe-breastfeed regularly, wala namang problema sa milk supply, you don't have to express your milk. But if you have the breast pump, and you want to just give yourself a break and you want to express your milk maybe 3 times a day or twice a day just to stock up, you can do that one too, okay? Now, keep your question coming because with your question, marami akong may tuturo sa inyo. I can help you a lot, whatever your problem is. Thank you sa mga subscribers ko. Thank you for my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Alam kong hindi ko kayo disappoint sa mga videos na binibigay ko sa inyo because it's purely general information. Some may don't work for your baby or for yourself and some may, okay? So, put your comment in, like this video if you like this video, share this video because there's so many moms out there na kailangan nila ng tulong coming from a lactation consultant. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please share. See you next time.